Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you shortly the simplest way to understand and how to trade SMC. Alright, first of all, as a trader, once you come to your chart, you want to first of all understand the directional bias of the market, whether the market is moving in an uptrend or downtrend. The market is moving in an uptrend or downtrend. So if the market is moving in an uptrend, you're looking out for buys, right? And if the market is moving in a downtrend, you're looking out for sells. So right now, looking at this market now, we could see that this market is moving in an uptrend. So this strategy is all about SMC/inducement. So you're going to be making use of your inducement. So right now, if we look right here, we could see we have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, and we have a break of structure right there. So right now, where is our inducement? Our inducement is the last valid pullback. The pullback must be valid. So right here is our inducement. So all we're going to be doing right now is just wait for market to come all the way down to this point, take out this inducement and break another structure right here and break another structure. So this is the simplest way of trading SMC. Sometimes market will not tap on your order block, sometimes market will tap on your order block, sometimes market taps on order flow, sometimes market taps on order block. So this is the simplest way of trading the SMC strategy. So let me show you guys on the rechart, right? So looking at this market right now, we could see that AUD/USD has been bullish. So if we take out our path 2, let's just start from here. We had this pullback right here, we had this pullback right here, we had this pullback right here, and we had this pullback. Now this pullback took out this inducement right here. This inducement was taken out and it broke structure right here. You could see it broke structure, it pulled down again, it broke structure, it gave a little reaction, and now broke structure again to this point. You can see, after this pullback, it still gave another break of structure right here, pullback. So let me take this out. So now after this pullback, we are expecting market to come all the way down to clear this inducement right here, which we have at this point. Now market to tap on our order block right here, which you can see, our order block right here that has fair value gap on it. So immediately market tapped on it. As you can see, it started reacting, and this is a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So let me show you guys the live trade on MT5. You can see this is the live trade on MT5 right here. So this is the simplest way of trading SMC strategy. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.